Hello, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to introduce to you the Mozaik 3D app where various 3D animations are created that will help the students to learn their lessons at school. If you are interested to this video, please keep on watching. Now I'm going to demonstrate to you how to download the Mozaik 3D app. So you have to go to Play Store. So you click that and then you type here on the search bar Mozaik 3D. So this one. Okay, so you click install and then wait for it to be installed. So there. So once you're done installing that Mozaik 3D app, so you click the open button here and then wait for the app to open. So it will take some time. So there. So we have now here the Mozaik 3D app. But before you explore the entire app, you have first to sign in. So you click this icon. So now, if you're new here in the Mozaik 3D app, so you have to click create new account. So I'm over 16. So you type your full name, let's say for example, and then your email address, and then your password, and then if you are from the Philippines, you look for Philippines. So let's say for example, Philippines, okay, and then create new account. So once you're done signing in, you can now explore the Mozaik 3D app. Now you can actually select 5 3D lessons here per week. But if you want to upgrade it to a full version, you can actually access the entire content here for unlimited. So there. Now, next is you have to select a category. So we have different videos here. So from different categories, but you can actually filter it depending on the category you're interested in. So you click this icon. So we have different options here. So we have the recommended, recently opened, and then we have different topics here. So we have content for geography, chemistry, biology, math, physics, technology, history, and then the arts. So let's say for example, I'm interested with biology topic. So I have to click the biology here. So we have different lessons about biology. So I will give you a run through about the different lessons here. So there. So let's say for example, I want to learn something about the human ear. So I just have to click this play button on the right. So you click that. So it will download the 3D content that you can use to study that particular lesson. So it will take some time. So there. So once you're done, so it will give you the instructions. So I'll turn off the sound first. So here's the instruction how to navigate this 3D content. So you click this, the question mark icon here on the right. So here's how you navigate the content. So you can rotate the view, zoom the view using this, shift the viewpoint, and others here. So there. So you just explore the details here. But if you're done reading this, you may close that. So you click the close button here. Now, so we have here on the first 3D content, so we have here the entire mechanism of the hearing. Okay. So there. So you can actually move it around. You can actually zoom it if you want. Okay. Now below, we have here the different topics that you can actually explore. And at the end, we have the quiz. Okay. Now, let's say for example, you click the ear category here. So it will show you here the entire ear mechanism. Okay, so that's the ear. So if you want to look for the ear bones, so you just click this. So there is the ear bones. So I don't know how to pronounce this, but I will click this one there. So that's it. So you click other category here. It will show you closely, precisely using 3D animation. And then this one there. Okay, now if you want to have sort of explanation here, so you can actually watch by clicking this animation tab. So it will explain to you. So I will play the sound.
Sound is the vibration of air perceived by our ears. Healthy ears can perceive sound waves of frequencies from about 20 to 20,000 hertz. This range will become narrower due to aging or noise exposure. Sound waves create signals in the inner ear, which are transmitted to the auditory cortex by the cochlear nerve and auditory pathway. The sense of sound is produced in the auditory cortex. Sound waves are directed into the external auditory canal by the auricle. Sound waves cause the eardrum, which closes the auditory canal, to vibrate. The vibration of the eardrum is transmitted to the cochlea by the ossicles, the hammer, the anvil, and the stirrup. The base of the stirrup fits snugly into the oval window of the cochlea. The basilar membrane is located inside the cochlea. It runs along the tip of the cochlea, where it turns back and continues in Reissner's membrane. The membranes divide the cochlea longitudinally into 3 cavities: the scala tympani, the scala media, and the scala vestibuli. The cochlea is filled with a fluid, which is vibrated by the stirrup. Higher frequency sounds cause vibrations of higher frequency in the liquid, which are absorbed in the initial section of the membrane. Lower frequency vibrations generated by deep sounds enter the cochlea and become absorbed close.
So for the sake of demonstration, I will not finish it, but it's actually good listening to the explanation. You can learn more. Well, we'll go to the next feature. So you can actually preview this 3D video in Google Cardboard, or if you have VR Cardboard, so you can click that icon. Also, we have the assessment, so we have the quiz here. So there. So if you want to take the quiz, so you click this quiz tab, and then you can actually click now the quiz. So let's say, for example, I don't know the answer to this question. I will just click there. I don't know the answer. Maybe this one. Okay. This one. Maybe I just have no. I will just click no the option for the sake of the demonstration. I don't know the answer of this, but you know, you can actually learn the entire lesson. Well, this one. This one. Okay. So I got 3 out of 5. So there. So if you want to take more quiz, so you just click the icon here. So we have 19 questions here. So if you want to pursue more questions, so you click that. Okay. Now once you're done with this 3D content, all you have to do is to click the icon here on the right, on the left. So there. So you can explore more. Okay. Now let's say, for example, I want to explore other category. So you click this, and then let's say, for example, history. So you click the history here. So we have different categories, lessons, 3D content here available. So I will give you a run through. But I am interested about the Coliseum here. So I just have to click the play button here. So wait for it to be downloaded. It will take some time. Okay, so once you're done, we have now here the old amphitheater. So you can actually swipe left, slide down, right, something like that. Okay, now same thing goes here. So we have different tabs here. And then we have the time travel, and then the animation, and then the walk tab. So later we'll explore them. So let's click the arena tab first. So there. Wow. Wow. seems like you're inside. There. So you just swipe left, right, slide it down. Wow, this is amazing. Okay, let's click another tab. So the Coliseum. Wow. 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 So it will give you a preview of the entire design of the Coliseum, 360 degrees. Now let's click this cutaway. Ah, that's a cutaway. I don't know what's this, but yeah, it's cutaway. So there. Let's have the time travel here. Okay, so we have video here. So we have here the Coliseum now. So once you click the play button here, it will show you old the old look of the Coliseum facade. So let's have this one. This is how the Coliseum looks like today, but once you click this play button, it will show you the view before. This is amazing. Let's click this one. I think this is the cutaway. So let's click it, how it looks like before. Yeah, I knew it. So this is the cutaway. Let's have it again. This is amazing. So we also have here the animation tab. So it will explain you the history, the other features of the Coliseum here. So let's watch. But I will not finish the entire video here for the sake of demonstration.
Were typically elliptical-based structures that primarily served as venues for circus games. The arena was surrounded by several stories of seats that offered a safe place for the public to observe the fights. A most infamous amphitheater of the ancient Roman Empire, the Colosseum, is one of the most famous structures in world history. Its construction began under the reign of the Emperor Vespasian. The magnificent structure next to the Forum Romanum was inaugurated in 80 AD by Titus.
But this is wow, this is amazing. Okay, your students can actually learn the entire history using this. So we have the walk tab here. I don't know what's this, so let's click that. Oh, it seems like you're in the center of the arena. Okay, there. We also have a quiz, but I will not take the quiz anymore. Again, if you're done with the Coliseum tour, so you may click this icon. So there. So again, you're allowed to view at least 5 3D contents per week. But if you want to upgrade it and access the videos here unlimited, you may upgrade it to full version of this. So there you have it. So if you find this video helpful, please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel.